Students, today we are going to see about the types of nanomaterials, which is carbon-based, metal-based, dendrimers, and composites. As we all know, the allotropes of carbon are diamond and graphite. Along with this, for the nanomaterials is concerned, the carbon-based materials are fullerene, single-wall, multi-wall carbon nanotubes, and etc. We are going to see about it in the detail in the next slides. As we all know, the allotropes of carbon, they are predominantly either arranged as a stacking or in different shapes. In this slide, the first one is graphite, which are arranged in a stacking type. The second one is amorphous carbon, which is not crystalline in nature; they are powdery in nature. The third one is diamond; it has different shapes, and the fourth one is fullerene, which is commonly called as buckyball C60, and the fifth one is carbon nanotubes, and last one is graphene. Graphene is predominantly used in medicinal field in sensors and biosensors, which is mixed with other metal. For metal-based nanomaterials, graphene is the composite material which is used to hold the metals between them. Two predominant allotropes, diamond and graphite. Apart from them, we are going to concentrate more on the carbon nanotubes, which is further subdivided into single-walled and multi-walled carbon nanotubes, and fullerene C60, which is commonly called as the buckyball. See here in this slide, you can easily see the single walled. In general, the allotropes of carbon are divided into zero-dimensional, one-dimensional, two-dimensional, and three-dimensional. Here, the zero-dimensional is spherical in shape. Mostly, predominantly, it is spherical in shape. They're appearing as quantum dots, carbon dots, and nano diamonds, etc. In one dimension, they are used to be in cylindrical or cone in shape, somewhat cone in shape, where the horns, nano horns, and the single and multi-wall carbon nanotubes are there. In two-dimensional, they are appearing as sheets. They are a flattened surface. Since they are stacked one above the other, they are appearing as a flattened surface. So they are appearing as sheets. And three-dimensional, they are having different shapes. As I said, diamond is having a different shape. Similarly, and the types of nanomaterials are applied in various applications, as I said, in medicine, in sensors, in biosensors, and in textiles, even in energy storage as batteries for their durability nature. They, like this, they are mainly used. Here, our concentration is going to be in fullerenes. As I said, it is not only present as C60, where the pentagons and hexagons are arranged one nearby as neighbors. In carbon 60, the arrangement will be between the six-membered hexagons and the five-membered pentagons, where their hybridization is usually sp2. They are linked together by a bond, and the bond is usually a covalent bond where the mutual sharing of electrons can be easily seen. Apart from C60, C70 is present, C84, C96, and C90 is present, where the count of carbon defines the nature, the application, the specificity, and the properties of those fullerenes. In general, they are used in medicines. In general, carbon, that is carbon 60, 70, 90, 84, are used in medicinal field. And these are the carbon nanotubes where they are cylindrical in nature, which is subdivided into single-walled and multi-walled. The dimensions is from 1 to 2 nanometer, and the length is from micrometers. Their applications is targeted sensors, where the drug is placed inside these carbon nanotubes. It is sent into the body of human, where the cancer cells are targeted, and the actions of targeted cancer cells is easily done by these carbon nanotubes. And these carbon nanotubes have generally a diameter between 1 to 3 nanometer, and they have a length of micrometers. And the diameter, whenever it is expanding, the property of these carbon nanotubes becomes more specific, and its action is becoming more targeted. The combination of rigidity, strength, and elasticity is compared from the specificity of carbon nanotubes to other polymer materials. In general, before carbon nanotubes invention, the work of these were done by the polymer materials, but which is not good for the earth and not for the human beings. The work of this polymer material is easily done by the carbon nanotubes. So as of now, we have clearly seen about the types of nanomaterials, the fullerenes, the carbon nanotubes, and their types. So thank you.